generation of our 3D printer Varseo. It's the new one, the S. S stands for smart. It's the second generation of Varseo. Varseo is the name for variability, speed, efficiency, and openness. Open means STL files. So we have the same cartridge system like in the first version. New is a plate for this RFID chip. You can put it on. The cartridge through the device, and the device can read which materials inside of the cartridge. So if you have a tray and put into the design for CAD cast, the device recognizes knows that is the wrong material. So it's important that you have a safe process, and the device know, okay, now it's the right material and you can print it. If it's the wrong material, you can read on display wrong material inside for the data file, and the device will say no go, please check the material. The machine is 40% smaller than the first generation of the Varseo. The building plate is 30% larger. This is Siggy, my buddy.